Understanding In the Red Zone, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, in the red zone. This phrase is commonly used in English, and understanding its meaning and usage can greatly enhance your language skills. So, let's dive in and discover what in the red zone is all about. In the red zone originally comes from American football, where it refers to the area of the field between the 20-yard line and the goal line. A team in this area is close to scoring, but also faces high pressure. This sporting term has been adopted into everyday language to describe any situation that involves high pressure, critical conditions, or being close to achieving a goal. Let's look at how in the red zone is used in various contexts. 1. Business and finance. When a company's finances are in a critical state, we might say it's in the red zone. This implies the company is at a crucial point and needs to take significant action to recover. 2. Personal goals. If you're nearing the completion of a personal project or goal, you could describe yourself as being in the red zone. It means you're close to achieving your objective but might need an extra push. 3. Health and fitness. In health or fitness, being in the red zone might refer to reaching a critical point in a workout where you are pushing your limits. When using in the red zone, it's important to consider the context. It's most appropriate in situations that involve a critical phase of a process, being close to achieving a goal, experiencing high pressure or intensity. Remember, the phrase can be used in both positive and negative contexts. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of in the red zone. It's a versatile phrase that can add color to your English conversations, especially when talking about goals, challenges, or critical situations. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using English phrases like a native speaker. See you in our next lesson.